Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just replaced the three-way solenoid, the one that you see right here. So we're gonna test it out, starting with one shot of espresso. Hopefully I calibrate the grinder good enough so we can actually get a good cup of coffee coming out of the machine. And yeah, that's all we did to this machine. We just replaced the three-way solenoid valve. We need a little more coffee because we a little bit finer. All right, so hopefully I can tamper with just one hand. Okay, I'm tampering with one hand. Good. That was easier. And now we just gonna do one shot of espresso. Let's use some hot water. I want to clean the cup. As you can see, hot water working perfectly fine. Perfect. Now that the cup is clear, we're gonna do the shot. Hopefully, I calibrated the grinder good enough so we can get some good crema coming out of this shot. It could be much better, but unfortunately we're using a little bit of coffee and this decaf, so it won't do a lot of crema. Still, we were able to get some pretty good crema coming out of the shot. And now for the steamer, it's going to take a little bit for the machine to build up some pressure. This three-way solenoid basically takes care of the function of the hot water steamer and the brew unit. As you can see, starting to build some pressure in there. Once the pump starts pulsating, it should be ready to steam. As you can see, having really good flow coming out of the machine. Excellent temperature, excellent pressure. And there you have it, Breville working once again. So thank you for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.